Well, I cut that camera off just too soon. Here is one of our woodpeckers. I haven't named these. There's a male and a female. Now watch this. Hey buddy, did you notice there was some pecans over there? Is that what you noticed? He said, I'm afraid I did. Let me see if I can steady this camera. Because we were interested in some fresh, warm pecans before they freeze. He said, yeah, even if the old fool's on the porch with his silly camera. Let's see if I can back this off a little bit. Makes it so much easier to focus. And the camera is cold. I just filmed Bird over here doing his routines. Whoop! I just almost fell off. Hey Woodpecker, was that you that woke me up about 7 o'clock this morning pecking on my log cabin? Oh, it was your wife. I see, okay. Well, tell her to wait till after 10, if you would. Thanks, Bird. All of these little doggone things love pecans.